So a lot of people have asked me, Moina, I want to learn baking, but I don't have an OTG. So here I am going to show you all a DIY hack where you can bake a perfect bread, a cake, and a lot of things just using a cooker. So follow for my 4-part series where I'm going to show you different cakes and breads that you can bake in a cooker easily at home. Next is you need a cooker, you add salt to it and then you preheat it on medium flame for around 10 minutes. Please add the lid also to it. After your cooker is preheated, we put the stand like a katori or a tiny stand to it because this will help that the salt and the katori will help that your tin does not burn or your cake does not burn. Then we do not need the whistle, so we remove it, and we do not need the rubber part, so we even remove it, the rubbering. Then after that you can add your cakes, your cookies, your bread. Just make sure the tin fits in the cooker, and then you bake it at 180 degrees, but there's no degrees here, so you bake it on medium flame and for 40 minutes. After that is done, make sure that it cools down very well, and then you remove the lid, and after 40 minutes but keep checking. You put your toothpick also and you keep checking, and there you'll go on medium flame. You'll get such beautiful cakes, you'll get cookies, you'll get breads. Everything will be baked so easily. So stay tuned for the other parts.